Schneider Electric has been advancing energy technology for over a century, powering innovation and shaping the way we live, work, and thrive. In the early days of electrification, we made electricity safe and ready for modern life, pioneering technology that redefined what's possible. With the first arcless fuse by Square D, Mueller-Geren's high-voltage circuit breakers, and the first contactor by Telemecanique, we turned power into progress, lighting up communities, factories, and entire cities. As computing emerged, we made it easier to program and control industrial systems. The first programmable logic controller by Modicon, the first distributed control system by Foxborough, and the first 3D plant design software from Aviva all pioneered modern automation, enabling mass production. By the 1980s, technology became part of everyday life. OSI Soft's Pi system empowered plant operators with easy access to their data. CPAM 2000 was the first medium-voltage digital protection relay, offering better speed, precision, and safety. Proface's graphic touchscreen made industrial control intuitive, and APC protected our digital lives with Smart UPS, the first single-phase UPS. The new millennium brought advanced connectivity to industrial and energy systems. Resource Advisor became the first energy ERP tool, and ETAP's Grid Suite simulated and analyzed energy systems in real time. Wonderware's system platform unified visualization, supervision, and execution for industrial control systems, and EcoStructure, one of the first IoT platforms, made energy visible and systems interoperable across industries. In the 2010s, our innovation transformed traditional infrastructure into intelligent, connected ecosystems. Masterpact MTZ brought full digital micrologic to air circuit breakers, and Motivair's Chill Door brought high-density server cooling. Planon's cloud-based workspace management system transformed building operations, and PowerTag, the world's smallest energy sensor, boosted productivity across sectors. Today, energy technology can sense, think, and act. We are transforming energy management and industrial automation with AI-embedded, software-defined architectures for every sector. Automation Expert is the first open, software-defined automation solution. RM AirSet SF6 free switchgear runs on pure air for increased sustainability, and Wiser Home optimizes energy use from appliances to EV chargers. Our fully reimagined EcoStructure architecture brings new levels of energy and industrial intelligence to onboard devices, operate edge control, and optimize it all with software and services. From the first fuse to powering the future of quantum computing, Schneider Electric is, and always has been, your energy technology partner.